Hey guys, this is Ashish Bhatt. Welcome again to my channel. And this time I just wanted to give you some ideas about how can you change the strap on your Garmin Instinct if you have that, or any other similar watch. And yeah, let's just quickly get into it. So this is my Garmin Instinct watch, which I purchased like about 3 years ago, and I've been constantly using it since then. And as you can see, it has got quite a lot of wear and tear. As you can see here, the one of the strap hole is broken, and yeah, so I just thought that I would give you um, a video about how you can change. So I basically purchased two different watch straps. They were relatively cheaper, around 11 and 12 euros. One was for 11 euros and the other one was for 12 or so. Yeah, one is, I think it's a slightly bluish shade, this one. Not sure if you can see that. And this one has a dual shade, um, charcoal or dark gray from the outside, and whitish or maybe light gray from the inside. It's two-tone. Let's try the first one quickly. Let's see. Okay. So I think it has some qualification certificate. We don't want that. And it's a little tiny toolkit, uh, and the strap itself. We quickly take a look. Yeah, the strap itself is pretty smooth. It's probably smoother than the original one. Let's see. Let's see how I can take out the old strap and fit a new one. So they have given these two pins for both the sides and a little tiny toolkit, uh, just like a SIM removal tool. This is the first time that I'm trying, so not sure if I would be able to do it, but let's see. I'm guessing it has to be pushed and pull. Yeah. Whoa. It has quite a lot of. Whoa. Whoa. That's a lot of dust. My God. You can see it's quite a lot. This is the first time I'm actually opening this up. So yeah, it's also a surprise for me. Let me try to take it out the other one as well. And let's see. So you have to just simply press this and then just try to pull this from one side, and it should come out right away. Okay, so again, quite a lot of accumulated dust. Okay, I'll find something to clean this up quickly. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. See, how can I fit it? I would have to place this inside here, and it has to be. So what I did just now is just simply place the pin inside the holes that are given, and on the bottom side I am trying to just fit it in, and yeah, I think it's snapped. Let's see if I could maybe just give it some push that side maybe. I think it's good. I think it's snapped right. Let me also do the same with the other one. You can see, just simply pull the... Now, a lot of notifications coming in. Okay, and just press it from one side. They have these, like, they go inside, these pins on both the ends. Just push from one side and just snap right there. I think it should just simply fit in. Okay, let me just try to wear it and see. This is the blue one, blue shade. Let me see how that looks and feels. Okay, not bad. This snaps right in, and this color is not so bad. Yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, let me try the other one. I would like to try both. And you guys can tell me which one looks better. Okay, let me just take out these. Just I have to push the button on the side and just simply pull it. Should come out easily. Okay. Okay, so this is the dual shade. It's almost as soft as this one. This one feels pretty flexible. This one is slightly rigid. Okay, nonetheless. What? Come on. Yeah, snapped right in. Okay. From the lower side, it's like pretty light grayish, silverish, and on the top it's like much darker shade of gray, or I would rather say towards the black. Let me see. Yeah, looks pretty neat, and also it fits pretty nicely on my wrist. Almost as good as the original one. The original one seems pretty dull now. I can feel like it's not so elastic anymore, or not so soft. But yeah, this one looks good. What do you guys think? Which one looks better? This one, or was it this? If you guys have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section. I also have a video on how to clean your watch properly. I will link it somewhere here, I guess. So have a nice day, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.